Hi, I'm Ed from Orchard Hill Farm Equipment. I'd like to show you this new NX4510 with a KL6010 loader with a lift capacity of 2,760 pounds. This has a Bobcat quick attach front bucket, 2-lever control with a 72-inch bucket, already pre-drilled cutting edge. It has stands on each side to take that loader off. These two stands go down. You have a pin in the back here, so it's easy accessible to take that loader right off. Standard, it comes with a grill guard in the front on this tractor. Our hood, I'm going to pop that open for us so we can take a little look here. Cushion cylinders automatically opens up. You've got your Donaldson air cleaner here, your battery right in front, your oil cooler right here. You've got your screens, all your cleanable screens in front of oil coolers, air conditioning unit, and radiator. You've got a fuel filter here on the side that you can pump up, so it's easy to change it and prime it. You've got an oil filter right here, which is these are so user-friendly. Over here in the back, you've got your dipstick, which is really easy access right there. Overall, you've got an orange fill cap here in your front axle fluid. 80-90 weight goes there. Tucked out of the way steering system with guards. It runs an orbital steering motor. This unit here really is a well-built unit. As we come around to this side here, on this side of the engine, we basically got our starter, we've got our alternator, our exhaust system here, and our fuel tank here, which is a poly tank, which I often thought was a problem. I've had no customer warranties from banging it or anything, but they have recently just added a metal skid plate underneath, which prevents you from poking anything in the bottom. As we go around the outside of this tractor as well, this is set up with industrial tires. They are adjustable on the rear. This telescopic 3-point hitch arms right here, and also on the side, these are telescopic as well. No safety chains to lose nuts and bolts. As we go over here, you got your center link right here. Then you have your optional hydraulic remote kit right here to run a power rake, a baler, or anything along that lines. You have adjustments on your 3-point hitch, crank up and down here, which are all greasable fittings everywhere. And also, which is a great feature right here on this tractor, is allowing this 3-point hitch, when you're out of the tractor, to go up and down. Basically, this allows you to hook up your brush mower and not reach in the tractor 5 times and keep backing up. And then when you get down here, you put your equipment in, back up, lock it in. Really a simple feature. If you'll notice, Kioti puts a lot of grease fittings. There's grease fittings everywhere in this tractor, multiple, all the way around in the back on a 3-point hitch. Every point has a grease fitting, which is a nice setup as far as that goes. We've got optional lights normally on other manufacturers. These are all standard work lights in the back and running lights. Same thing goes for in the front. We have high lights and low lights for working. We have mirrors standard on this tractor as well. As we open the door here, let me run around and grab the door open for you. As we get in the tractor here, we have dual link pedals for the brakes, which you can, what that is left and right. If you're stuck against something, you can lock one up, rotate the tractor on its axis. You have a tilt wheel up and down without even getting out of the, this locks your brakes on right here, okay? This tractor also has individual forward and reverse pedals, which is very nice. It has a 2- and 4-wheel drive switch right on the dash here, right there for 2- and 4-wheel drive. Over here you have a really ergonomically correct joystick. Below that you have your throttle. You have a hydraulic remote control right here. And as we go over here, we have a cruise system and a link pedal system. What a link pedal system is, you can lock in forward or reverse, your link pedals on forward or reverse, and it'll accelerate when you need it to, when you're using it with a loader. And the cruise control you can set by hundreds of RPMs to your liking when you're mowing or brush hogging or working anything as far as that goes. It's the PTO switch on and off here. You've got manual and automatic PTO switches. You've got your weather in the back, your defroster. You've got your wiper in the front, your auxiliary lights right here as well. Over here, this is what they call a link pedal switch right here. Press that, it'll accelerate as you step on the forward pedal without you having to use the throttle. And also we have a regen button over here. Once a year, this regen button light may come on. You'll have to press the button, and you'll be able to skip it 2 times. The 3rd time, you'll have to let that thing go through a 20-minute process of burning all the particulates out of the filter. If you're a hot foot throttle like I am, you're not going to be using that overall regen system because it's going to burn out automatically by itself. You've got air filter on the outside of this cab, but you also have vents blowing numerous ways around this cab, not just a couple vents. You've got numerous vents to get all at your air systems here. You've got an interior light comes standard on this tractor. Over here you've got speakers that come standard. Another cleanable air filter over here as well. You have a visor right here for the sunny days. These are all your controls for heat and AC. Also over here we've got a cup holder and spot where you can put your MP3 or whatever. Power source over here on the side, right here. This is your high, low, medium ranges. Over here we have a differential lock underneath also. Flow control with your 3-point hitch. You get your 3-point hitch levers over here on the right, which have draft control up and down. That flow control controls how fast these two go up and down. This seat also has an air adjustable coilover system, which you can crank it up and down, move it back and forth. So it's really a nice seat as far as that goes. The windows in the back pop open, so you can get vent that way as well on each side. Your doors, everything opens right up, really easy. They're on shock absorbers, so that you can run this tractor with the door shut and have your windows open. So that's really our rundown on our Kioti. Overall, our NX4510. I'd like to just give you a quick run around. I know it's a little muddy here, but we'll show it off for a minute. There you have it, folks. I'm Ed Kirby from Orchard Hill Farm Equipment. And I'd like you to stop down and check out this new NX4510 hydrostatic tractor with an unbelievable lift capacity. And I forgot to tell you about the 17-gallon per minute pump on this thing. Unmatched by any manufacturer out there. This tractor is just a great unit, and I'd love to see you stop in at Orchard Hill.